Welcome. In this video I will show you how to activate or deactivate the Nightstand Mode on your Apple Watch Ultra 3. So first of all, you have to open the list of all applications by pressing the digital crown, then scroll down to the Settings app and tap on it to open. Now in Settings application you're gonna have to scroll to the General section, and once you find it, open it, and in General section find a Nightstand Mode. Okay, or the Bedside Mode. So it's basically the same thing, and now as you can see it's enabled by default. But if you want to disable it, just switch this toggle to the left, and to enable it, to turn it to the right. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.